In this video, I will explain you what is freelancing, how freelancing is different than work from home jobs. We will understand the difference between both of them also. Now, freelancing is an activity where you work on projects. These projects will be given by different companies, organizations or businesses, we can say. So, businesses outsource their work to individuals who work from home or anywhere in this world. The individuals are called as freelancers. Freelancers, when they work on a project, that activity is called as freelancing. Now, in freelancing, the freelancer is only working as a vendor to the company, organization or business, but he is not an full-time employee of that company, right? That is called freelancing. A freelancer can work on multiple projects also. One freelancer can work on 10 projects also, 100 projects also. It totally depends on the capabilities of the freelancer. Now, there is another term that is called as work from home jobs, usually jobs. Now, what is work from home? Work from home is a type of employment contract, activity where the individual is sitting at home and working on the task projects that are assigned by the employer of the individual, of the person. The person is employed with a company, employed with the organization or a business. The business is giving them work that the individual is sitting at home and he's working on all the tasks. That kind of activity is called as work from home jobs, work from home. Now, work from home, from the name only you can understand, the person is sitting at home and working on the tasks that are given by the employer company. Here the candidate is employed. He is a full-time or a part-time employee of that company. Freelancer is not an employee, he is a vendor. Work from home professionals are employed with the company and they are working from home. So this is the difference between both the two terms I have explained you. If you still have some questions, you can definitely comment below. And if you like my content, if you like my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon also. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. Namaste.